If you've never sold a stock before, it can feel confusing the first time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sell a stock on the Wealthsimple app, step by step, so you can do it with confidence. Let's get started. First, open the Wealthsimple app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard with your total portfolio value. Tap on the account that holds the stock you want to sell. Now scroll down until you see your holdings. Find the stock you want to sell and tap on it. This opens the stock page. Here you can see the price, your return, and how many shares you own. Tap the trade button. A menu will appear with two options: buy or sell. Tap sell. Now choose how many shares you want to sell. You can tap sell all or type in a number. Go slowly here. Make sure the number of shares is correct before you continue. Next, choose your order type. A market order means your stock will sell right away at the current price. The exact price may change slightly. A limit order lets you set the price you want. The trade will only go through if the stock reaches that price. If you are new, a market order is usually the simplest option. If the price is moving quickly, a limit order gives you more control. Now, review your order. Check the number of shares and the estimated value. Here's a quick note. Wealthsimple does not charge commission on Canadian stocks. For United States stocks, there may be a currency conversion fee. If everything looks correct, tap Submit or Confirm. That's it. Your stock is now sold, or your order has been placed. Market orders usually complete right away during market hours. Limit orders may take time or may not go through at all. One last thing. After you sell, the cash is not always available immediately. It usually takes 1 to 2 business days to settle. And that's how you sell a stock on Wealthsimple. If this helped you, subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides.